MJ. Hi, MJ. Okay, so I just entered the bathroom because my cousin was the first one who actually took a bath, and this is how our mirror looks like. It's still 10:30 in the morning, but we're already dressed and we're actually getting ready because we're not entirely sure of the traffic. I mean, our hotel is kind of near the venue, but you know, just to be sure. And the photo op is around 2 p.m. The concert is about 8 p.m. So I'm surprised I'm this calm. I was expecting that I'd be all like, oh, at this moment, but I guess the jitters will just come out later once I'm in the venue already. So yeah, we'll see. So we're all set. It is 12:25 p.m. now, and we're going to the venue already. Hi, Em. Whoa. Let's go. Starlight Jingles! Wait for us! Hi! Okay, now I'm starting to realize that maybe I went a little bit overboard on my chicken. Kinda looked like someone slapped me on the face. But it's quite hard to remove, so I'm gonna have to go with it. Yay! Let's eat. Okay, so we're about to enter. I haven't seen them yet, but I can already tell I'm gonna cry. There's a 95% chance that I'm gonna cry, if not faint. I'm feeling very emotional right now. I heard fans screaming already, so I'm not exactly sure. They screamed for VIX, BTOB, B1A4, or any other group, so fangirl tendencies, bro. Hi guys! We're in. We're just waiting for them to call us for the photo op. Pixie! Okay. Sound check done. Hi! We already made some friends.
Hello.
ready for the boyfriend. Oh. The big members, and you know, we're just like dude, pinansin ako ni Hongbin, pinansin ako ni Hakyon, pinansin ako ni Rami. Wala kaming moment ni Kyo at saka ni Ken. Ken, talk to me! Weh? Yes. What did he say? I was trying to reach his head back. Pero hindi niya naman binigay yung kamay niya. So, ha? He was saying, kamsamnida, kamsamnida. Here we are. Center. Hopefully we'll get some good videos or like pictures.
Nalagyan ko muna ng basura kasi God
nice.
Si Joy.
we're finally home. And by home, I mean, nasa hotel na kami. Ayan. Woo! Nahiga na ang ate ninyo. Nakakangalay din naman kasi. Well, pinili mo yan eh. Standing ang ginusto. Eh, tiis-tiis din pag may time. Pero nakakapagod talaga. But you know what? That was such money well spent. Ay, lahat. As in, ultimo piso or 50 cents ng pera na ginastos ko para lang umattend ng Super Popcorn, dude. Super duper sulit. Like, so ayun nga, pumunta nga kami and kita nyo naman, di ba? Fangirl kong fangirl, eh. Di ba? Dude, as in like, super, as in like, kung pwede ko lang na i-video lahat, as in like, whole day, like, from the moment that we went in, hanggang sa nag-sound check, ganyan, hanggang sa photo up namin with them, and then hanggang sa pag-start ng concert, hanggang sa huli, ginawa ko na. But, you know, they were like super strict. As in, bawal kung bawal. As in, itry mo lang na ilagay mo yung kamay mo sa pocket mo. May lalapit na sa'yo na may laser. Well, wala naman epekto yung laser, pero tinuturo-turo sa'yo. So, you know, it kind of is, so, hindi na nga ako nag-try, diba? So, hindi ko na trinay na mag-sneak ng photos nung sound check. Nag-video lang ako pero yung paa ko lang para hindi mahalata. So, sa malamang black lang yung nakita ninyo doon. Naririnig nyo lang yung nagsa-sound check, ganyan. And sa photo up, yes, di ba? Medyo naging bad girl ang ate ninyo. I tried to sneak a video pero ang galing. Na-click ko pala yung slow motion. So, syempre, hindi na nga siya nakafocus. Tapos yung pagkahawak ko pa, mali-mali. Ayan. Very crooked siya. Oh, very good. So, you know, yung moment na iniyakan ko kanina, yung moment na nakita ako ni Hongbin, Hakyeon, and Ravi, man. Hongbin, Hakyeon, and Ravi looked at me. As in, like, nagka-eye-to-eye contact kami, As in, like, yung titigan, ganon. Tapos nag-wave sila, ganyan. Tapos nag-smile, diba? So, like, wala. Hindi nyo siya makikita kasi nga, kaleng eh, diba? Kaleng. But, anyway, as in, like, super. Medyo na bad trip ako kanina dun sa photo up nga kasi I was really expecting like more time with them, but I kind of had like maybe 10 to 20 seconds lang to form a line, and then like yung iba pa sa amin nakaupo, yung iba nasa floor talaga. Syempre, bilang ako, sa floor ako. Walang ya, diba? I actually tried to recreate my pose dun sa ginawa kong inedit na picture with Vicks. But unfortunately, they were like telling me na closer, ganyan. Tapos ayos po tayo, ganun. So I wasn't able to really push it. So nag-post na lang ako, ganyan. So, but it was like definitely worth it. Like, there was probably like a 10-second gap na kung saan as in lang ginawa ko lang, di ba nasa harap ako, yung nakaupo lang sa floor, tapos sila nakaupo sa chair, ganyan. Sila nakaharap na sa camera, di ba? Ready to take a picture. Ako, yung itsura ko, as in lumingon ako dun sa mga members, di ba? Lumingon ako, tapos yung itsura ko ganito lang. Di ko nga alam kung nakita ako ng mga members, tsaka kung ano yung iniisip nila, if nakita nila ako. Pero as in ganito lang yung itsura ko habang tinititigan sila. Like, diba? Tanga lang. Kasi hindi ko, you know, I really can't even imagine or like, I can't even explain the feeling. Yung tipo na like, oh my God, di ba? Totoo silang tao. Nakikita ko sila. Andyan na sila, di ba? Like, parang naabot ko na so close yet so far. Ganun. So like, ganun talaga. Pero like, di ba alam mo yun yung parang, na-confirm ko na tao sila, totoo sila. Like, I'm not just imagining them. They're not, you know, like computer-generated or something. Like, they're real, legit, human beings, you know? Tapos yung thought na lang na we're in the same room, di ba? We're in the same place at the same time, breathing the same air. Like, heaven. Best concert so far na inattendan ko. Well, I haven't attended many concerts, so I don't exactly know how to judge pa. Tsaka ito yung very first na K-pop concert ko. So, you know, maybe in the future, a-attend pa ako. So, at least meron na akong pagsesetan. But, you know, itong concert na to, medyo mataas yung standard. For me lang naman. Personal channeling ko lang naman yun. So, yeah, we'll see. Okay, so di pa kami nagdi-dinner. As in, like, kumain lang kami ng lunch kanina. Nakita niyo yung kinain ko na lunch. As in, yun na lang yung kinain ko hanggang nag-start yung concert. Kasi wala na kami time to buy food. Well, actually, meron. Pero we didn't actually want to leave our place when the concert started. Kasi syempre, mahirap na, bes, di ba? Lami nang pumutulak-tulak sa'yo habang may concert. Eh, ano pa kaya kung iniwan mo yung place mo, di ba? Mas mahirap na naman yon. So, hindi na lang kami kumain. So, ngayon, we just brought home some food and kakain na lang kami dito. So, yeah, I guess that's about it. See you in my next entry. Bye-bye!